All right, you're sticking with us for this far, you're going to learn how to play the violin. This is pages 24 and 25. They link two pages together. Now, in page 24, learning eighth notes. So, eighth notes, there are two of them in a quarter note, and they're tied by either a flag, or they have a flag on them, or they're tied by a bar. So if you notice, the two eighth notes equals a quarter note, and you count the eighth notes as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's what we've been doing since the very beginning. I've been counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but now I'm not counting all the time, and we gotta think of the ands and subdivide the beats so we never rush. The next is there's a first and second ending. So in the big bracket that says 1, that's the first time you go through it and repeat. You play that bar, then you repeat all the way back to that bar again, but don't play that bar. Jump over to number 2, so the second bar, and then go on from there. You ready for this? Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and lift. And 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 3 and... They threw some left-hand pizzicato in there. Let's go on to number 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 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 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... That was number 2. So now we're going to number 3, and number 3 is in 3/4 time. So let's get that beat going.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 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 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 3 and 1 and 2 and repeat. Right? And number 4 is a song, Ba Ba Black Sheep. Ba Ba Black Sheep, have you any wool? No sir, no sir. And then you share. Back to 4. And you'll notice that this sounds a little bit like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. There are many uses for this chord progression and melody. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Number 5 is a German folk song. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and first repeat and repeat. Second repeat. Now 2 at a time is a duet. First we're going to play number 6 and then we're going to play 7. You can go back and play the bottom part or the top part along with this. Get 2 chances. 2 at a time. Duet. Number 6. 2, 3, 4. All right, number 7, the bottom part. 3 and 4 and. One and 2 and. Rest and lift backwards. Oops. I might forget to take that out in the editing. So now we've got an old kid's song called Polly Wadley Doodle, and Polly Wadley Doodle all day. Now we're going to start out playing an A and E together. And then we start into the song. So there's a little introduction. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Three. Lift. 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 And a little shave and a haircut's 2 bits. Shave and a haircut's 2 bits. All right, play the B part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and Now we got Rainy Day Song, and this is in 3.
One,
2, 3. Rainy Day Song.
2,
It sounds like a rainy day. It's kind of sad.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Go on to the second measure. Repeat.
1, 2, 3.
And we'll try that again. 1, 2, 3. First repeat. Lift. Second repeat. Repeat. No, no repeat there. Let's just do the whole Rainy Day Song over again. 1, 1, 2, 3. Lift. Repeat. Second repeat. That's B part. 1, 2, 3. So first repeat. Lift. So that's, we have it. That was page 25, 24, and 5. If you liked it, press like, subscribe, share, comment, and go to the next lesson up there.